What if I told you most of your problems don't actually exist? Not because life is easy, but your mind is creating them. Sounds crazy. Then answer this. Why does the same situation breaks one person but not affect the another? The real question is the problem really outside or inside you? Think about your own life. A student stressing over exams even before studying. Someone overthink a message like, why didn't they reply? Comparing yourself on social media and feeling behind. Worrying about your future, career, money, relationships. The situations are normal, but the stress, the anxiety, the depression, that is coming from inside you. Here is the truth. This chapter teaches a situation is not a problem until your brain label it as one. Rain is not a problem, but if you wanted a sunny day, now it feels like one. So what is actually hurting you? Not life, but your resistance to life. The more you resist, the more you suffer. Now let us talk about something powerful. You have an inner roommate, a voice inside your head that never stops talking, commenting, judging, complaining. You are not good enough. People are better than you. What if you fail? It takes a simple situation and turns it into a full blown problem. For example, you post something online and it doesn't get many likes. So the situation is neutral, but your inner roommate tell you that people don't like you. Now suddenly you feel bad. But here is the truth. You are not this voice. You are the one who hears it. The biggest mistake we make in this is that we believe the voice is us. But it's not, because if you can hear it, then it means you are separate from it. When someone is talking next to you, you know they are not you. So, why do you believe everything your inner voice says? The moment you realize this, everything changes. So, what should you do? Fight your thoughts, control them, or stop them? No, just observe them. When your inner roommate starts talking, don't react it. Just notice it. You can even say, okay, I hear you. That's it. No fighting, no arguing, because attention is what that gives it power. The less you engage, the weaker it becomes. Think of your mind like a phone with many notifications. Every thought is a notification. If you click every single one, you will waste your entire day. But if you ignore them, they disappear. Your thoughts work the same way. You don't have to open every thought. Now, here are some simple steps through which you can beat your inner roommate. Guys, the truth of the life is that problems are never ending. Life is the another name of suffering, and the tough situation will always come to you at every moment of your life. So, if you are going to treat them all as problem, so your life is going to be a hell. Just accept that tough situation will always come to you and promise yourself that you are not going to treat them as problems. You are going to treat them as they are. Guys, whenever tough situations come to you and makes you feel uncomfortable, don't close yourself. Just stay open, take a deep breath and relax yourself and tell one thing to your mind that this tough situation will also go away from your life like the last one, and on the same time another one is waiting for you. So enjoy that suffering while facing this situation, because that suffering is the truth of the life. Guys, whenever your inner roommate starts talking to you, just say him hello and tell yourself that I am not going to talk with him. I am just going to ignore him and stay focused on my work. To do this every time, whenever your inner roommate starts talking to you, you have to build self awareness inside you. But wait, how to build this self awareness? Guys, I have answered this question in my last video, in which I have talked about inner voice deeply. You can watch it through the link in the comment section and description. Guys, you need to understand that everything in life is temporary. Your emotions, thoughts, these tough situations, the people around you, and even you yourself are temporary in this life. So just accept this truth and learn this skill of letting it go. Guys, do not take things seriously enough as they do not last. Don't hold on to anything because it leads you to suffer. Just let them pass away from your mind. Believe me, guys, after implementing this in my life is easier and more enjoyable. So, guys, thanks for watching this video and bye.